Today's Thursday's cleaning tip. What we do on Thursday, or what I do on Thursday, is I transition from the front of the truck to the middle, what I call the middle of the truck. Here's where all my cabinetry's at, and everything in the fridge and all that. And behind me, more cabinetry up there, microwave, change jars. I clean this area on Thursday, of course. Handy dandy Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner for the carpet. I don't know if y'all can see that, but not too bad today. I use a microfiber towel to do my dusting back here once a week. Oops, sorry about that. And then every other week I use Old English microfiber towel to wipe down my cherry wood in the wood interior. I know some of you guys don't have wood. You have the plastic cabinetry that still needs to be wiped down. I would recommend using this product, the Armor All cleaning wipes, for that. You want to keep this area clean because it's transitioning from your workspace into your basic living quarters or your home or away from home. So you need to keep this area clean to keep the transition down. You know, you don't want to be tracking a bunch of junk back and forth. If you don't have carpets, you can put rugs or floor mats down. That helps out tremendously. I have carpet throughout this truck, so it's time consuming. When I do spill on my carpet or have any issues with the carpet, I use this Pet Baby Shampooer by Bissell. It does great in here. I have no problems keeping these carpets clean and odor free. It's a good investment. It fits right behind the driver's seat. Right back there behind my driver's seat. See, that's where it's at. Good place, good fitting. And that's Thursday's cleaning tip. Friday we'll go transition from this space into the sleeper and go over basically the importance of wiping down the sleeping area. You'll be surprised how much dirt and the fumes and just road grime gets back in the back of the sleeper. It surprises a lot of people. Anyways, that'll be Friday's cleaning tip. Hope you enjoy this series, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.